Hey, it's Mason here from Graphics Master with your 12th tutorial. And in this tutorial, I'm going to cover how to make playing cards on Photoshop from scratch. And the example I'm going to use here is the red ace of diamonds. And as you can see here, I've got cool diamond shapes. I've got the rounded card shape. And I've got the letter A in a good font. And I've got all the main setup of the red ace of diamonds. Okay, so to start off, let's just exit this, and we want to open a new file. Let's name it Ace Diamonds, and we want the width to be 5 inches and the height to be 7 inches, and the resolution can be 72 inches, or pixels per inch rather. Mode, RGB color, leave all that. Okay. Now what we're going to want to do first of all is make the background color black. And then we're going to go to this tool here, the rectangle tool, and choose the rounded rectangle tool. And change the color to a really light gray. And just make a line from almost at the top corner to almost at the bottom corner, around there. And that's our shape. Hit the check mark and go to layer, rasterize all layers. There we go. Now what we're going to do from here is we're going to start off by, well, doing the second part of the shape, which is going to be the rectangle in the middle here. But to do that, we're going to use the marquee tool, the rectangular marquee tool here. And we're just going to make a shape that's a rectangle inside the card from about here to there, and make sure that it looks like it's pretty even on all sides. If it's not, you can always free transform it afterwards, but it's always good to get on the first try. That's about good, right about there. And then you're going to right click and choose stroke, color black. 3 pixels is good. Center, mode normal, 100% opacity, okay. And deselect is Control D on the keyboard. There we go, we've got the main setup of our card. Now all we gotta do is add the letter A for ace and the 3 diamonds. Okay, so now the text, we're gonna use the type tool here and set the color to about 245 red, and that's about the good color. And we're gonna want to use Times New Roman font, and it doesn't matter what size we use because we can free transform it afterwards. And just type the letter A. And this A is really it looks kind of squished down. So I'm gonna go to free transform, Control T, and I'm just gonna extend that up a little bit and move it down here. And you can just mess around with it until you get it where you want it. And put it right up there in the top corner left. And hit check mark when you're done. And you've got your first A, but of course there's another A that's going to be upside down on the bottom. So we're going to click on this layer, which is the text layer, and Control J, which will duplicate the layer. Then we're going to move this, which is the duplicate, down here. And now we're going to go to Edit, Transform, Rotate 180 degrees. And there we go. And we're going to put that at the bottom right corner of the card. Right about there. Okay. So now from there, that's pretty good. We can now flatten the image. Now what we're going to do is do the 3 diamonds. So we're going to go to the rectangle tool here, and we're going to go to custom shape tool. And you should get a setup like this. And what you're going to want to choose is the diamond here, or if you're doing hearts, you can choose that. And there's also different types that you can use. But You can do whatever you want to. So we're going to go to diamond here. And now we've got a diamond. And we're going to make sure that the color is the exact same as what we used for the A. And we're going to draw a diamond right here. And we are not going to want to constrain the properties because when we do that, it looks too square. So we're going to make it a little bit not constrained, I guess. And when we get it where we like it, go to the move tool and move it up right beneath the A, and then we can free transform it because that's obviously way too big. So let's size it down a little bit, right about maybe there. And there's our good size. Check mark it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to Control J this layer as well and drag this down to right beneath or right above this A here. And make sure that's about the same position, pretty centered, and let go. And we're going to do Control J one more time and drag that up into the middle. Now, the diamond in the middle is a little bit smaller than the other one, so let's free transform it to about there. And make sure that it's centered right about there. And there we go. That's pretty much all that you have to do to make the Ace of Diamonds. And if you want to, you can add some more stuff, but this is pretty much all that they have on the actual card. That's all I want to show in this tutorial. Last thing you want to do is flatten the image, and there's your Ace of Diamonds. Thanks for watching.